Hey guys, Josh with Spartan Reptiles, and today we have an unboxing. This is actually another double gene male, which I've been looking forward to adding to the collection, along with my blackhead GHI, and hopefully together my projects, the way I have them planned, will work, and hopefully we'll be creating some cool combos over the next couple of years. This little guy here, he's actually just a hatchling, 2019 I believe, and so yeah, 9 months or so we'll hopefully have him upsized and put him into a breeding project as well. But it has two genes that I absolutely just over the moon with. I love them, and so let's go ahead and get on with this unboxing. I've actually already opened it to make sure the snake was safe, so there ain't gonna be no razor blades or nothing. So anyways, we got this from Tony Thomas over at Hardware Exotics. There's his card there. And I like Tony. I like his customer service, top notch. Craig, you bring the hilarious. How do you say that? That is totally a blooper. But I'm not gonna edit it. You bring the funny part to the whole thing, and that's cool. I love it. I think you guys are awesome, and I've actually been chit-chatting with Tony over Facebook Messenger, for a little, about a couple days now, and I really like him. He's a really cool guy, really stand up. So let's go ahead and check this out. I couldn't do that if I saved my life. My trash can's over there, and both those went right in there. Alright. Nice zip tie on there to hold them into place, keep them from getting out of the bag. Excellent packing, by the way. Oh yeah, he left me a little of a present here. So let me go ahead and get my cleaning wipes. So I got my cleaning wipe here, and I'm just going to kind of wipe them down. Okay, now we got him cleaned up. Let's go ahead and show you what he is. So what we have here is a male blackhead lesser. And man, I tell you what, the camera never catches the justice of an animal, especially something as beautiful as this. I'll tell you one thing that I noticed about this. The blackhead definitely reacts with the lesser very well. The pictures that I was looking at of this particular snake, it looked a lot lighter in the pictures. But I tell you what, in person, you can definitely see the blackhead influence. Definitely a much darker top portion to the snake. You can see the lesser influence as well. You can still see the lesser pattern in there. And then the blackhead is actually, like right here, is actually elongating the pattern. And then what I noticed as well is as from the top down, just below the pattern is almost, just below the pattern and in between it is like a cream color going into a nice white belly. Beautiful animal. Say hi to Tony, and Craig, and Cass, and the kids. And anyways, so that's our new male that we just picked up from Hardwire Exotics. I will put his link to his YouTube channel down below. I'll also put his website in there as well. If you guys haven't gotten your your Hardwire exotic swag, definitely check it out. He's got some cool shirts, cool hoodies, coffee cups. I mean, he's got cell phone cases. Let's help show him some support, and let's help him out, guys. I mean, he doesn't need any help. He has a good name all by himself, but you know, when I do business with the breeder and when everything goes as smoothly as it did with Tony, I have no complaints, and I'm going to definitely throw his name out there every chance that I get, and I'm going to support him in the hobby, and it is what it is. That's just how I am. I am who I am, and I support those people that I like, and you know, work with me well, and we have good business, and you know, can build on personal relationships as well as, you know, as far as friendships and stuff. But there you go. I'll go ahead and towards the end of the video just throw in some pictures of this boy so you guys can take a closer look at him. And as always, keep on herping.